Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, I'll be discussing with you, do Cash App games really pay? But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're wondering if Cash App games actually really pays out, well, there are a few things that you need to know here and you need to understand. Now, to answer the simple question here, does it actually pay? Well, the absolute truth here is it can. No, they really do pay out real money, and it is honestly a fantastic way to turn your casual downtime into extra cash. Now, if you are already sitting on your couch playing mobile games or scrolling through your phone, you can absolutely get paid for that time. Now, legitimate apps like, let's just say, Free Cash, Misplay, and even Cash Giraffe here, which are just some of the platforms that you can actually sign up for, they have already paid out millions of dollars to regular players. Now, most casual players easily pull in extra $5 to $50 a month, while some people who dive deep into competitive skill tournaments or hit bigger gaming milestones can stock up over $100. But that's if you're into competitive gaming or tournaments here. Then they also hit bigger gaming milestones and stock up those amounts. Now, also it is perfect and a perfect stress-free side hustle for earning some fun pocket change or pocket money here to pay for your morning coffees or treat yourself to something nice. Now, in this case, the magic of how it works it's quite incredibly simple here. Now, game developers need players to test their apps and boost their numbers, so they pay reward platforms to bring people in, and those platforms pass a chunk of that cash straight down to you. Now, while most of these apps don't have a giant send to cash app button built right into their game menu here, they let you cash out instantly via PayPal, direct bank deposits, or even virtual Visa cards. Now, since you can easily link your PayPal or virtual card straight to your verified Cash App account, the money slides right into your main balance smoothly. That makes gaming feel incredibly rewarding because you are watching your efforts translate into real world spending power here. Now, just to give you some idea and some information here, there are going to be some downsides here. So on the flip side, so it is always a smart move to keep your expectation realistic. Now, these games are a wonderful way to earn supplemental pocket money, but they definitely aren't going to replace a full day job or make you rich overnight. Now, you also want to protect your time by staying far away from flashy pop-up ads that promise crazy things like $500 a day, because those are always fake ad farms. Now, if you just stick to popular community verified apps, cash out your earnings as soon as you hit the minimum limit here, and have fun playing, obviously, well, it is incredibly easy and legit win for your wallet. And if you want to know more about some apps and platforms out there, we have a bunch of videos in our channel, so make sure to check that out. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.